Hello there, welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is Rashid and this is the first lecture of C programming. So let's start this lecture. In this lecture we will learn some C programming terms like coding, second is documenting the program, and third one is compiling, fourth one is executing, and the fifth one is testing, and the last one is debugging. And after this we will learn some more about the programming language and its types, its advantages and its disadvantages, and the important part, that is structure of C program. So as you can see, the structure of C program look like this. In the first one, preprocessor directory line. The second line there is a global declaration section, and the third line void main and the main function bracket and the closed bracket. The last is user defined function, and these two brackets is the open one and the closed one. It's also called a block in which we write the coding of the program. I will define each of these terms one by one. So let's start these terms. So the first one is coding. Coding is nothing but when we write a program, it is termed as coding. So it is coding, and the next word is compiling and executing. So, compilation is the process of translating a source program into a machine language. The compiler is a system software which does the translation after examining each instruction for its correctness. And what is executing? So, during execution, the executable object code is loaded into the computer's memory and the program instructions are executed. So, it's all about compiling and executing. And the next one is documenting the program. So we use command lines in the program anywhere to explain the program to the user, but these command lines are not necessary. I will show you the example of command line. So this is the example of command line. As you can see, you can write the command line as given below. And also there are two ways to write a command line. As you can see, the first one is double slash and your message, and the second is slash star your message star slash. So it's all about documenting the program. And the next one is testing and debugging. Testing is a process of execution of a program with the intention of finding errors. Testing is needed to check whether the expected output matches with the actual output. Program should be tested with all possible inputs, data and control conditions. Debugging is the process of correcting the errors, and it is also identifies their root cause. Testing means detecting errors and debugging means diagnosing and correcting the root cause. So it's all about testing and debugging. Now moving to the next, and that is what is programming language. A programming language is a set of instructions for instructing the computer to perform specific tasks. The term programming language is usually referred to high-level languages like C, C++, Java, Pascal, and etc. And here, as you can see, I mentioned the types, and the first one is high level language and the second is low level language. And low level language, there are two parts, machine language and assembly language. So start with high level language. So what is high level language? These languages uses English like instruction and mathematical symbol for its program construction. Here a translator program is required to convert high level language to machine understandable form, and this translator program is known as compiler. Its advantages. The first advantage of high level language is that it is easy to learn and program in high level language, and the second is testing and debugging also easy in high level language. And its disadvantage, it has only one disadvantage, and that is time conversion. It takes lot of time. And the example of high level languages like C, C++, Java, etc. And moving to low level language, and the first one is machine language. So these languages are easily understood by the computer. The instructions are called machine instructions written in binary language. Its advantages. The first one is it does not need any translator program. Second is program run faster in this language because no translator program is required. It disadvantages. First one is it is difficult to understand the program written in machine language by the user. The second is testing and debugging is also difficult. Moving to next, that is assembly language. Assembly languages uses a set of keyboard to represent machine code. Keywords are like add, subtraction, division, multiplication, load, store, etc. Here a translator program is used to convert assembly language into machine language and it is called assembler. Its disadvantages. These languages are highly machine dependent. So it's all about programming languages, its type, its advantages, its disadvantages, all about that. And moving to the next, here is a structure of C program, and the first one is preprocessor directive line. So what is this? It provides instruction to the preprocessor to include header files and function from the system library. It also defines the symbolic constant and macros. And the second is global declaration section. It is used to declare the variables which are used in more than functions. And the next one is main function. So every C program has at least one function which is main. The main function has two parts. The first one is declaration part and the second one is executable part. In the first one, in declaration section, in the declaration part, all the variables which are used in the program are declared. The second one, executable part, has three types of statement. The first one is input statement and the second one is output statement and the last one is processing statement. And also do note that the important thing that all the statement in C program end with the semicolon. So these are the things that I mentioned in this lecture. If you guys have any particular question regarding this video, do let me know in the comment section. If you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. That's it for now. This is Rashid and I hope to see you in my next video.